Okay, hold still. Just one more knot, and done. Seems like it doesn't bother you. Be careful, okay?
Hey, Hector. What are you... Whoa! Where did you find her?
Hi, Lucy. They just come out every once in a while to hang out. But this time they came out with a hurt leg. But I took care of it. Oh! There they go.
It's pretty calm for a wild fox. Ever thought of keeping it?
Nah, they got things to do, I guess. Hello.
Hi. Is the performance over?
Yes, I suppose I can take a quick break before my boss comes back. May I accompany you? Okay.
So, you go around in your traveling theater?
Yes.
Is it fun to travel all over?
Yes, but the reason I travel is because it's hard to find a crowd that likes my music. Animals don't seem to like it like they used to.
I like your music. It's beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
You could stay here. Everyone would love it. They just ran away because I was there. I scare all the others here. None of them like me.
But someone must like you to fix your paw.
What?
Your paw. Someone put a lot of care into it. They must love you a lot. Don't you think? You don't look very scary now, do you? Oh.
Are you really going to go? You clearly have a lot of fans here. You don't have to go. Maybe I can convince you to visit my friend before you go.
Come on, Hector. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, looks like your friend came back.
And they brought new friends.